Anybody ever had spinach where like it leaves like this skin on your teeth? That's called oxalic acid. That's an incomplete compound. Spinach is not supposed to have that effect. When you have good spinach, it will not do that to your mouth. Some arugula may be bitter. Some arugula has this like really, a bit sharp but nutty and just a very pungent kind of flavor. So it has everything to do with how the plant was grown. And we have this concept that this is kale, and that's carrots, and that's pigweed, and there's just such a massive spectrum of variation within each of these types. That, for me, is one of the major insights I'm hoping to convey here with the organization, with the workshop, with this conceptual framework, is it's not whether it's carrots or arugula, it's how they were grown, what environment they were grown in, the history of the seeds, what was the environment the mother plant grew in, and her mother. Like, that has a massive effect on the baby, on the plant you're growing, was what the life was like for the two previous generations. In the same way it is for humans and cows, right? Epigenetics has a major, major effect. There's all these different environmental conditions that, to me, are really, where it's at.
How many years do you continually grow your seed in the same plant?
My objective, at some point, will be to not have to seed anything, but to let things grow wildly wherever they feel like it. My one hoop house that's been in place longest, I put spinach seed in this year, and I'm currently picking out various mustards that I didn't plant. And there's a bunch of arugula and lettuce also growing there that I didn't plant. So I like to let things, when I get done picking them 4 or 5 times, like in the case of salad greens, I don't touch them. I don't mow them down until I plant something else. I just let them go to seed. And then the seed falls down, and then the next time I prepare the seed bed, I may put something else in, but they're already germinating. So I picked 30 or 40 pounds of mustard out of that hoop house this fall that I didn't plant one seed of.